Alright, so we're going to talk about installing the screen door. So what happened is I bought this door, a screen door. It's got magnets where the door area clicks together, where the two screens click together. And what happened is I used it a few times first. I always try that. This is my 4th year using the van, so I've come a long way. And one of the things that I've done is try things first and try it till you get it right. And then when I feel that it's right, I decided to install it. So install means is that this comes with a velcro all around it. And velcro isn't that easy to put up and have it last right. So in the velcro, in the directions, it said to use a heat gun. So I used the screen door, and what I did was I just put magnets around until I knew how to handle it. And one of the things that it suggested is when you put the screen door up, that this little point where the two magnets come together should be slightly higher than the rest, because then the magnets will click together. So I was doing it through like magnets on top here, and I could see the difference, that if you put it up higher, the door magnets would click together. So I just put all the velcro up, and here is, not sure if you can see it, but here is a little, this is the door jamb, and I started it from here and went around here, and then from here and went around here. When I do it here, I'm going to put the velcro up here a little bit higher so that it'll click together. The door was a little bit short, so what I did was I sewed the top so that it would fit, hopefully nice and snug right around here. And just want you to meet my mechanic, my man around town, my husband Fred.
Hi. Yeah, Fred doesn't talk much.
Nope, but he sure does help a lot. So what I've done is I've actually put the velcro up right now, and now I'm using the heat gun. And now I understand why the heat gun is a good idea, because what happens is when you use the heat gun, like Fred says, this is a heat gun which we got from Harbor Freight, which is not always, how did you put it, Fred?
Junk tools.
Junk tools, right? Yep, but we go there. So
are we going to get sued for that now?
No, not really. But we do have a lot of things from Harbor Freight. So I use the hot gun, the heat gun, and I put it on a low setting. Fred said to put it on a low setting so that you don't burn anything. And I put it on a low setting, and I'm just going across here, nice and slow. And after I go across here, okay, what I'm doing is I'm stopping, and then I will take and I'll push it to make sure that the glue is adhering to the van, the metal. And that's the trick. I read the directions for a change, and that's what they told me to do, is take a heat gun. And so that's what I'm going to do. Is I've already done this side here, so I'm just going to finish doing this side over here, and then I'm going to put the screen door up, and we'll see how it goes. So I'll be back.